Hi, my name's Richard Bird from Raine and Horne, Ipswich, and welcome to number 11 Lukin Court in Brassall. An enormous yard, 918 square metres to be exact. Bringing the family home to a yard of this size allows for the added extras of a pool or a shed if you so wish. Brand new carpets and fresh internal paint really give this home the sparkle it deserves. Moving from the formal or main lounge down the hallway through to the main family living area, dining space and kitchen. On original inspection of the home, I was genuinely surprised to see, in addition to the double car garage, this storage space. And I was really pleased to also see that there was a separate laundry, as opposed to those laundries that are often built just into the garage, taking up some valuable car parking space. For those that are unable to inspect, or those that are able to but just want to get a bit of a preview, I hope this little video has been of assistance. My name is Richard Bird from Raine and Horne, Ipswich, and you can call me if you have any questions on 0448 418 518. That's 0448 418 518 anytime, and we'll figure out if we can assist you further with this home.